Hey guys, got the 1025R over on the other side of the shop today, waiting for a hydraulic cylinder to come, and thought, geez, what can I do to this thing now? So today we're gonna look at caps for the loader. We're gonna look at this one, that one, and I'm still working on this one, but I got an idea, got some parts coming. But let's get on it. I'll show you what you need and how to install them, and these babies shouldn't come off, won't cost you an arm and a leg. And of course, this is where we go right to the plumbing section again. We're going to repurpose and reutilize something made for something else and put it on the John Deere. Oh, here, let's do this. There, we're going to put it on the John Deere. So I'm going to sit down, show you what I got and how to install it. Hey guys, here we go. I'm going to show you the tools we need, and then I'm going to show you what we're going to use here. So we're going to need your trusty Milwaukee with a 1/4-inch drill bit. You don't need the tape measure, I already did that. Those clips we had on the last install, I'm just using this initially just for a template. So I'll show you how I'm going to do that. And then you're going to need one of these, they're a bolt cap. And then you're going to need these, and these are from Menards, and they're an 1.5-inch PVC cap. Pretty cheap. I bought all 3 of these today for, with tax, was $12.91. And then you're gonna need this limited edition Milwaukee 1025R screwdriver. It's the only thing that will put them on. I'm just joking. Anyway, let's get to it. All right guys, we're gonna install these now. Once again, that's what it is at Menards. What I did was I took that clip and I took the 1/4-inch drill bit and I just drilled into it, and then I put it halfway. So this one's gonna be just temporary until I've got another part coming out, but it'll basically look like this on that one, except this shouldn't be there. It's just for now. You can see I've got one of these installed, and basically you're just gonna take your limited edition screwdriver, push that on there, and then, like I said, it's a 5/16 or an 8mm, whatever you want to do. You're just gonna tighten that clamp up. That's it. Let's do another one. Put one here. Tighten this one up. And last one. Gotta loosen this one a little. You can actually hear the air moving out of it when you do that. And then tighten this last one up. That's it. Those aren't falling off, they're not going anywhere. And when you do have to service it, you just need your special unlocking tool. That's it. Have fun with it. Good luck, guys.